Hello everyone, in today's EVS2 video, we are going to learn lesson number 11. The name of lesson is The Discomfiture of Shaista Khan. Discomfiture means defeat, parabho. There was a defeat of Shaista Khan that we are going to see in this lesson. We will begin with first point, that is Shaista Khan's campaign. Campaign means what? To organize a series of activity to try to achieve something, means he planned some activity against Shivaji, who Shaista Khan, that we are going to see in this point. In spite of repeated efforts in which he left no stone unturned, Adil Shah of Bijapur could not force Shivaji to surrender. Left no stone unturned means to do everything possible to solve a problem. Means here Adil Shah of Bijapur, he tried many times to defeat Shivaji, but Shivaji never gave up, he never surrendered. Every Sardar of Bijapur who was sent against Shivaji was defeated. Means many times Adil Shah has sent Afzal Khan, Siddhi Johar to deal with Shivaji, otherwise defeat Shivaji. But Shivaji defeated them, Shivaji killed them. Adil Shah at last gave up to fight and made peace with Shivaji and gave recognition to his independent kingdom. Shivaji could not surrender, so at last Adil Shah stopped fighting with Shivaji and made peace with him and gave recognition. Recognition means what? Respect to independent kingdom. Means independent kingdom is what here? Hindvi Swarajya, which Shivaji has established. For that he has given respect. So Shivaji thus had peace for some time in his southern border. Southern border means south side. That side Shivaji was having now peace. Means which side? South side. That is the Bijapur. Means Adil Shah stopped troubling now to Shivaji. So that border, southern border, there was peace now. We'll move to next paragraph. The second paragraph. In the meanwhile, on other hand, what happened? Constant Mughal attack from the north had practically ruined Maharashtra. Now, ruined means destroyed. Means Adil Shah had made peace with Shivaji. Means he has stopped fighting with Shivaji. But Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb, he started to destroy Maharashtra. Shivaji therefore turned his attention northwards and carried out raids in the territory of the Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb. Now Shivaji turned his attention towards the north side, and what he done? Carried out raids. Raids means attack on the territory. Territory means area. Shivaji done attack on the areas of Aurangzeb. This enraged Aurangzeb. So enraged means what? Angry. Shivaji done attack on the territory of Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb. So he was angry now, and he sent Shaista Khan, his uncle, to deal with Shivaji. Aurangzeb has sent Shaista Khan, his uncle, to deal with Shivaji and teach him a lesson. Teach him a lesson means punish. Shaista Khan, with a huge army of 75,000 men and hundreds of elephants, camels, and piece of cannon, march on Pune. Now, cannon means what? Heavy guns. Means 25,000 men, elephants, of hundreds of elephants, camels, piece of cannon. This Shaista Khan took and he walked towards the Pune. On the way, he captured, means took control of the town of Shirwar, Shivapur, Saswad, and finally laid siege to fort of Purandar. Means while coming to Pune, what Shaista Khan has done? He captured the town of Shirwar, Shivapur, Saswad, and he put a laid siege to the which fort? Purandar. Now nothing could stop his advance, means progress. Whatever he was doing, no one was there to stop now that. But once the Maratha army surrounded him in a mountain pass, means mountain pass, both sides mountain and middle road is there. That is called mountain pass. In that mountain pass, Shaista Khan was surrounded by the army of Maratha. The Maratha troops moved very fast on their swift Bhimtadi ponies. What Maratha troops do? They moved very fast on their swift Bhimtadi ponies. Now Bhimtadi ponies means it is one type of horse. One type of horse, his name is what? Bhimtadi ponies. These horses were used during Shivaji time. And our Maratha troops, soldiers, they used to sit on a or ride on this horse. They also traveled very light, means very lightly they can travel. They could traverse, means cross the hills and valleys in a shortest possible time on army rations consisting of onions and bajra bread. Means our army, Maratha army, what they were eating? Ration means food. They were having food what? Bajra bread means bajrachi bhakri and onions. This was their food, and on that food Maratha troops can traverse, means cross the hills and valley in a shortest possible time. This type of warfare, means war or battle perfected by the Marathas, was unknown to Shaista Khan. Means our Maratha people, they were perfected or experienced in the warfare, means in battle, that was unknown to the Shaista Khan. Tired of the continuous harassment with trouble by the Maratha troops, Shaista Khan at last raised the siege of Purandar. Means because of Maratha people's trouble or harassment, Shaista Khan has left or stopped the siege of Purandar. Next point we are going to see, that is the Firangoji Narsala. Shaista Khan then continued his march on Pune. Means Shaista Khan came towards the Pune. First he captured the fort of Sakar. Firangoji Narsala fought to defend, means protect the fort with great bravery and skill against the army of Shaista Khan. For 2 months, Firangoji Narsala kept Shaista Khan at a bay. Bay means area with an particular purpose. That is called bay, and Firangoji Narsala kept Shaista Khan at a bay, but he was helpless against the guns of Shaista Khan. Shaista Khan was much impressed with the way Firangoji defended the fort, and he offered him service with the Mughal emperor. But Firangoji, however, refused this tempting offer. Tempting means attracting. Whatever Shaista Khan has offered service with the Mughal emperor to Firangoji, that Firangoji has refused. Next point we are going to see, that is the Shaista Khan in the Lal Mahal. Now students, you know Lal Mahal was built for Shivaji and Jijamata. It was built by Dadaji Konddev and Shahaji Raje. Now we will begin this point. Shaista Khan came to Pune and made Lal Mahal, Shivaji's residence, his headquarters. Lal Mahal was the residence, means place of living place of Shivaji. But Shaista Khan made his Lal Mahal as his headquarters, the main working place of Shaista Khan. For that he used Lal Mahal. 1 year passed, then another. Shaista Khan would not leave Pune. On the contrary, means opposite, his troops would raid Shivaji's territory, destroy crops and take away the cattle. Here troops means soldiers of Shaista Khan, they would raid, means do attack on Shivaji territory. They destroy the crops and take away the cattle, means cow, buffalo, for them they take away. In this way, he started devastating, means destroying the surrounding countryside. Countryside means rural area, Gramin Bhag. Around the Pune, there was countryside, and Shaista Khan started devastating that surrounding countryside. Remaining part of this lesson, students, we are going to see in next video. Today's homework, students, you have to read textbook page number 42. Thank you. Have a nice day.